Good morning, class 7. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. This is the first video lecture of the third chapter, that is fiber to fabric. So, what is fabric? Fabric means a piece of cloth. A piece of cloth is called fabric, and the fabric which we buy from any shop and give it to the tailor, then the tailor will stitch that cloth to stitch that fabric to make cloth. So in from class 6, in class 6 you have seen fiber to fabric. There was one chapter, fiber to fabric, in which you have seen what is fibers. Means thin long strand is called fibers, and these fibers can be obtained from plant, for example cotton, jute, flax. This fiber can also be obtained from the animals, for example wool, for example silk, and these fibers can also made by human being in industries, and it is called synthetic fiber, that is nylon, rayon, polyester. These are the example of the fibers. So many fibers are twisted together. Many fibers are twisted together to make a thread, and this is called yarn. So many fibers are twisted together to make yarn. This yarn is used to make fabric. So this yarn is woven to make fabric, and this fabric is stitched to make cloth. So the cloth which we wear, the shirt which I have worn now, it is made up of fabric, and this fabric is made up of yarn, and this yarn is made up of many fibers of cotton. So that's why we can say we are wearing a cloth of cotton, means cotton cloth, cotton shirt, because it is made up of fiber that is obtained from the cotton plant. So on the basis where the fiber is obtained, fiber are of three types. Means one is plant fiber, plant fibers, fibers obtained from plant are called plant fibers. Example: cotton, jute, flax, etc. These are the example of the fiber that is obtained from the plant. Animal fibers, fibers obtained from animals are called animal fibers. Example: wool, silk, etc. Next is synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers. One more thing, these two are called natural fiber. These two are called natural fiber. It is obtained from the nature. So natural fiber is of two types: plant and animal source. Fibers that are synthesized in laboratory are called synthetic fibers. Example: nylon, polyester, rayon, etc. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the animal fiber, that is wool and silk. So our aim will be wool and silk. Wool is the fiber that is obtained. So wool is a fiber obtained from the fleece. Fleece means hair. Skin means skin hair. So wool is a fiber obtained from fleece of animals such as sheep, goat, yak, and lamb. So these are the four animals from which we get wool fiber, but mainly we get wool from the sheep. So wool fiber is usually white, but it can be black or gray. Wool protect means why this animal have this thick layer of hair on their body. So wool protect the animal from cold by creating an insulating barrier. So what I have explained till now is wool is the fiber obtained from the animals such as sheep, goat, yak, and lamb, but mainly from sheep. But we also get wool from the goat, yak, and lamb also. We will protect the animal. Why the animal have so thick layer of hair on their body? As we can say, air is a bad conductor of heat. So this thick layer of hair trap air on their body, and this air create a insulating barrier and protect the animal from the extreme cold. So for protection from the cold, they have this air barrier which is formed due to this wool or this fleece. Okay, so the hairy skin of sheep has two types of hair that form its fleece. So the hair present on the body of the sheep, it has two type of hair. See, if you can see, the hair present on our arm, which is very close to the skin, is soft, and hair which is present on our head, it is little bit tough, coarse compared to the skin hair. So likewise the animals also, the sheep also have two type of hair. The hair which is close to their skin is fine, and the hair which is above the fine hair is coarse. So the fine hair which is close to the skin is used for making wool. Okay, so one is the fine hair, means soft under hair, the fine soft under hair that are present close to the skin, and second is the coarse beard hair. Okay, so one more thing, this fine soft under hair, the fine soft under hair is used to make wool. So this fine soft hair under, means fine soft under hair is used to make wool. What I am saying here, the hair which is present on the body of the wool is of two type. One hair which is close to their skin is soft, and one which is above that soft hair is coarse hair. So the soft hair underside is used to make the wool. Okay, one more thing, some sheep only produce fine सॉफ्ट हेयर. कुछ शिप के ब्रीड हैं, ब्रीड मतलब डॉग के अलग अलग टाइप के ब्रीड हैं, जैसे पैमेलियन हो गया, एल्सीशियन हो गया, सो डिफरेंट एनिमल्स आर देयर. सो उसी प्रकार शिप के कुछ ब्रीड हैं जो सिर्फ फाइन और सॉफ्ट हेयर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सो one important thing what I am saying here, you keep in mind this point. What? Some sheep only produce fine soft hair. Imagine there is a bull, for example, which produce thick coat of hair. So there is one sheep which produce thick coat hair, and there is one more, I told you know some breed is there that produce only soft hair. So one more is there which produce fine soft hair. So what I have taken male of this variety and female of this variety, or female of this variety and male of this variety. Means there is a breed which produce very thick coat of hair, मतलब वो ज्यादा हेयर होता है उसके बॉडी में, एक इसको लेना, मगर वो जो हेयर का क्वालिटी है वो फाइन सॉफ्ट नहीं है, बट हाँ हेयर ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करता है. और यहाँ पे एक और ब्रीड है जो कि ज्यादा हेयर तो नहीं प्रोड्यूस करता, मगर जो भी हेयर प्रोड्यूस करता है वो सॉफ्ट होता है. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव टेकन वन एज मेल एंड अदर एज फीमेल, एंड वी हैव अलाउड देम टू ब्रीड. सो वी हैव अलाउड देम टू ब्रीड. ब्रीड मीन्स टू रिप्रोड्यूस. सो द offspring means the offspring, next generation offspring will have good characteristic of both this and this. This process is called selective breeding. Breeding means, जैसे मान लेते हैं, हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, प्लांट है, एक प्लांट है वो बहुत लंबा है और उसमें अनाज कम पैदा होता है। एक गेहूं का ब्रीड है जो लंबा है और उसमें अनाज कम पैदा होता है, और एक और ब्रीड है वो नाटा है बट उसमें अनाज बहुत पैदा होता है। तो जो लंबा वाला है उसको ज्यादा पानी रुक जाने से अनाज खराब नहीं हो रहा है। राइस की बात कर ले हम लोग, चलो पैडी की बात करते हैं। तो एक प्लांट जो है वो लंबा है और बट उसमें अनाज कम पैदा होता है, तो लंबा होने के कारण ज्यादा पानी से वो खराब अनाज नहीं होता। बट एक जो नाटा है उसमें अनाज तो ज्यादा पैदा होता है बट वो नाटा होने के कारण पानी से खराब हो जा रहा है। हम क्या किए, इन दोनों के बीच में क्रॉस करा दिया, मतलब एक मेल इसको लिए, फीमेल इसको लिए, या इसको मेल लिए और इसको फीमेल लिए, दोनों को क्रॉस करा दिया। क्रॉस कराने के बाद जो ऑब्टेन किया है मेरे पास, जो नया वैरायटी ऑब्टेन हुआ, उसमें दोनों गुण होगा, इसका और इसका। तो अब जो प्लांट होगा वो लंबा भी होगा और ज्यादा अनाज भी प्रोड्यूस करेगा, तो वो मेरे लिए ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल है। सो दिस ऑफस्प्रिंग हैव good characteristic of both parents. This is the parent number 1, this is the parent number 2. This is parent number 1, means for example if it is male then it is female, if it is female then it is male, and after cross the offspring have good character of both parents. So we can say this process is a selective breeding. Okay, so what is selective breeding? The process in which two parents with desired, जो हम चाहते हैं, desired character are allowed to breed, so the offspring have good character of both parents is called selective breeding. Okay, it is very important to understand also and to remember also. So you will keep in mind what is selective breeding. Okay, next is some breed in India, where they are found, means the name of the breed, the state where it is found, and type of wool that is obtained from the breed. That first is Bakharwal. This is found in Jammu and Kashmir and it is used to make shawls. Lohi, that is found in Punjab and Rajasthan. It is also good quality wool obtained is for sweaters. Marwari, it is found in Gujarat, means this breed of the sheep is found in Gujarat and it gives coarse wool, means some hard wool. Nali, it is found in Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and it is used for carpet, making carpet. Patanwadi, it is found in Gujarat and it is used for hosiery. Next is Rampur Bushair, it is found in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. It is also used for carpet. Okay, these are the name of some breed, where they are found and what type of what type of wool they give. Okay, next is I have told you mainly we get wool from the sheep, but from some goat also we get some fine quality of wool. Means I have told you mainly we get wool from sheep. See, Angora wool obtained from the Angora goats found in Jammu and Kashmir. This Angora wool, that is a good quality wool that is obtained from a Angora goat से पाया जाता है, which is found in Jammu and Kashmir. One very important or very popular shawl, that is Pashmina shawl. So the under hair of Kashmiri goat is used to make Pashmina shawls. So the soft hair of Kashmiri goat is used to make Pashmina shawls. And one last point I have told you, that wool is also obtained from the fur of the body of camel. So it is also obtained from there also. So these are the different type of breed or different type of animals from which we get the wool. In next video we will see how we obtain wool.